During last video, we have seen the advantages of electrical drives over other drives. Now let us see the comparative study of electrical drives. There are two types of electrical drives, as we have seen. One is DC drive and second one is AC drive. Now the difference is based upon the difference in motor activities, that is DC motor and AC motor. As we know, in DC motor, the electrical quantity is given to the rotor winding through brushes, so there is a power consumption in the brushes. So the efficiency of DC drive is less than the AC drive. Very important difference is the power circuit and control circuits are simple in case of DC drive, and the power circuit and control circuits are complex in AC drive. Second difference is it requires frequent maintenance. As I have told you, through brushes the electrical quantity is given to the rotor, so it requires frequent maintenance. So there is no frequent maintenance in the AC drive, as the electrical quantity which is given to the rotor is through magnetic fluxes. The commutation makes the motor bulky, costly and heavy. The commutation circuit which is used in DC motor, it makes the DC drive more bulky and costly. This problem is not there in AC drive because there is no commutator in AC drive. So motors are inexpensive, particularly the squirrel cage motor is more inexpensive, and this motor is mostly used in AC drives. The speed and design ratings are limited due to commutation. In case of DC motors or DC drive, speed and design ratings have no upper limits. In case of AC drive, it is used in certain locations only, while AC drives it can be used in all locations. This is because DC drive is used where DC is available, and as you know, the DC is not available at all the locations, but AC is available at all locations today. Next difference, it gives fast response and wide speed range is achieved smoothly by conventional methods and solid state controls, while in case of AC drive, the solid state control controls the speed in wide range with the conventional methods. In case of DC drive, the line conditions are very poor, that is power factor and harmonic distortions of the current are poor in case of DC drive, while in case of AC drive, in regenerative drives the power factor is poor, but for non-regenerative drive the power factor is good. In DC drive, the power to weight ratio is small, while in case of AC drive the power to weight ratio is large.